Hey viewers, I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm gonna explain 4 bedrooms house plan with pair room in 1700 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our floor plan. This is our front side and this is our back side. Our back side and front side, this direction distance is 36 feet. This is our right side, this is our left side. Our left side and right side, this direction distance is 46 feet. Overall, our floor plan is 36 feet by 46 feet. If we talk about square feet, it's around 1700 square feet. So this is basically our main door. Using this main door, we will reach here. And this is our veranda. Here we have this direction 22 feet 9 inches and this direction 5 feet. Overall, our veranda is 22 feet 9 inches by 5 feet. After this side, you can understand here we have divan door and divan door measurement is 3 feet 4 inches. Using this divan door, we will reach here, and this is basically our waiting space. Here we have this direction 10 feet 4 inches and this direction 12 feet 5 inches. Overall, our waiting space is 10 feet 4 inches by 12 feet 5 inches. And this right side, you can understand here we have another divan door. Using this divan door, we will reach here, and this is basically our bedroom 1. So we have this direction 12 feet and this direction 11 feet. Overall, our bedroom 1 is 12 feet by 11 feet. Also, our bedroom 1 has one window. This is basically our this window. After, we just get back our this waiting space, and this side we can understand here we have another divan door. Using this divan door, we will reach here, and this is our bedroom 2. Here we have this direction 12 feet and this direction 12 feet. Our bedroom 2 is 12 feet by 12 feet. Also, our bedroom 2 has two windows. This left side we have one window and this side we have another window. And viewers, you can understand also our bedroom 2 has one attached toilet. If we want to go this attached toilet, basically we have to use this D2 door, and D2 door measurement is 2 feet 6 inches. Using this D2 door, we will reach here, and this is basically our attached toilet with this bedroom 2. So here we have this direction 8 feet 3 inches and this direction 3 feet 6 inches. Overall, our this attached toilet is 8 feet 3 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. So you can understand our bedroom 2 is 12 feet by 12 feet and bedroom 2 has one attached toilet, and this is our attached toilet, and attached toilet measurement is 8 feet 3 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. After, we get back our this waiting space. Here this right side we can understand we have another divan door. Using this divan door, we will reach here, and this is basically our bedroom 3. Here we have this direction 12 feet and this direction 11 feet. Overall, our bedroom 3 is 12 feet by 11 feet. Also, our bedroom 3 has one window, and this is basically our this window. After, we just get back our this waiting space. Our waiting space this side we can understand here our drawing and dining room. So viewers, you can understand our drawing and dining room are combined. So if I talk about the total measurement our drawing and dining room, so we have this direction 20 feet 2 inches and this direction 26 feet 6 inches. Overall, our drawing and dining room are 20 feet 2 inches and 26 feet 6 inches. So you can understand here this side we have another D2 door. So using this D2 door, we will reach here, and this is basically our common toilet. Here we have this direction 8 feet 3 inches and this direction 4 feet. Overall, our common toilet is 8 feet 3 inches by 4 feet. After this side, you can understand we have another D2 door. So using this D2 door, we will reach here, and this is basically our kitchen room. Here we have this direction 8 feet 3 inches and this direction 6 feet 7 inches. Overall, our kitchen room is 8 feet 3 inch by 6 feet 7 inch. Also our in this 8 feet 3 inch by 6 feet 3 inch kitchen room has one window, and this is basically our this window. After we just get back our this drawing and dining room, here you can understand our this left side, and this side we have another D1 door. Using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is basically our bedroom 4. Here we have this direction 12 feet and this direction 12 feet. Our bedroom 4 is 12 feet by 12 feet. Also our bedroom 4 has 2 window. This left side we have one window, here we have another window. After just we get back our drawing and dining room, and this side we can understand here we have our staircase. So viewers, you can understand this is basically our staircase. Here we have you can understand also the direction. Using this direction we will reach our up floor. So drawing and dining room total measurement I told you 20 feet 2 inch and 26 feet 6 inch, but here this right side we will talk about this separately our dining option. So you can understand this is basically our dining table, and here if I talk about our dining option separately, so we have for our dining option this direction 12 feet 5 inch and this direction 14 feet. Also our separately if I talk about our dining option, we have 12 feet 5 inch by 14 feet. Also you can understand this staircase and this dining option, this side we have another D2 door. Using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our prayer room. So here we have this direction 7 feet 8 inch and this direction 8 feet. Overall our prayer room is 7 feet 8 inch by 8 feet. Also our prayer room has 2 window. This is basically one window and this is our another window. So viewers, just I will give you just little overview, just more understanding. So using this main door we will reach here, and this is our veranda. After here this is our waiting space. Our waiting space, this right side we have our bedroom 1, and this left side we have our bedroom 2. Also our bedroom 2 has one attached toilet. This is basically our attached toilet with this bedroom 2. After here you can understand we have our drawing and dining room are combined, and this side we have our common toilet. Here we have our kitchen room, and yes this side we have our bedroom 3, and here this side we have our bedroom bedroom 3. This is bedroom 3. Here we have our bedroom 4, and this is drawing and dining room are combined, and this side separately our dining option, and here this is our staircase, and this side we have our prayer room. So what we are getting our this 1700 square feet floor plan, we have one veranda, 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet, 1 toilet is attached, 1 is common, 1 is kitchen room, and 1 drawing and dining room combined, 1 prayer room, and 1 is staircase. So viewers, now we'll talk about the cost. And cost, definitely cost is variable because it depends your state, your location, your area, which kind of material do you want to use, your soil capacity, your demand, so many things. That's why cost is variable. Now we'll just talk about one cost, and here cost is 23 lakh rupees. So viewers, you can understand the floor plan is 36 feet by 46 feet and 1700 square feet if I talk about, and cost is 23 lakh rupees.